How to change Gmail address. So if you want to change the address or email ID or username of your Gmail, then what you need to do is first open up your Play Store. Once you open up your Play Store, go with the upper right, which has that profile option, and then go with the settings. Under settings, go with general, and under general, you can go with the account and device preferences. Under account and device preferences, now right here, it's showing user contact or change contact email. So you just need to simply tap on it, and you can simply remove the address, or you can add something and go with save. And after that, a verification will be sent to the mail address to verify if it's you or not, and you just need to simply enter the code. And after entering the code, your pending verification will be completed, and after that your email ID or username will be changed. So that's how you can change the Gmail address, ID or username. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.